In this video, I will take a look at extension called auto rename tab inside of Visual Studio Code. So let's say you have a h1 tag with a text called my header, and then we have a paragraph tag, and maybe let's say we add a lorem text here. So now what if you want to change that h1 tag to h2 tag? What you will do is first you will change it here, and then you have to change the closing tag too. So there is an extension for Visual Studio Code that does that automatically. So if we go to extensions or we press Ctrl+Shift+X, we can search for auto rename tag. I have actually already installed it, so I will enable it, and then I need to reload the page. So what I can do now is, if I want to change the header to, let's say, h1, it will do that automatically. Similarly, I can change the other tags. So maybe instead of paragraph tag, I wanted bold tag, so I will change it to B. It will automatically change the closing tag. Thank you.